Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to chop a brisket. Stay tuned. When you're going to chop a brisket, you're going to need one of these type of knives. I'm just going to give it a nice little slice right here. Pick this up. The way you chop up a brisket is you want to go in every different direction that you possibly can. I'm not going to go all the way down. I'm just going to go slowly across so that the brisket can go ahead and start breaking apart. And if you have room, you can just go against it, or you can move your meat around so that it goes against it and it starts to chop. Then I go at a different angle, and then I just go again at a different angle. But once you start chopping it up, notice how it's starting to come out. Use your tongs to move this around. If you notice, the bottom part is the bark is the only thing that's left right now. Everything else is pretty chopped up already. Now I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna chop up the bottom part of the bark, because this is a little bit more. This is the barky part. The reason you want to chop it is if you're going to make, let's say, brisket sandwiches. I do have links on the bottom on the description below if you guys are interested in any other types of forms of meat that I smoke. If you want to see the more in-depth video I made on chopping a brisket, click on the link on top. Once again, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll